Hi there and welcome to my channel. My name is teacher Ilona Smith, and this channel we focus on business studies. In today's video, we're looking at what you can expect for grade 11 for business studies for the new year in 2024. So stay tuned and enjoy. Alright, grade 11, so it's getting serious now. So what we can expect in term 1 for grade 11 for business studies. I'm going to go through the annual teaching plan with you so we could just see what to expect and maybe what we're looking forward to. I'm sure there's some chapters you guys are excited about, some chapters that I enjoy teaching too. So let's kick it off. Term 1. Term 1, we're looking at the influences and control with all the different business environments. So in grade 10, you learned what the business environments are. We have the micro, macro, and market. So now we're going to be looking at the influences and the control factors for these different environments. We're then looking at the challenges of these environments and also how can we adapt to these challenges with all three environments. We're looking at the impact of socioeconomic issues on the business. We will then be looking at the three different business sectors. We did touch on them in grade 10, but we're just going to expand this in grade 11. Remember, it's the primary, secondary, and tertiary sectors. We're then looking at the benefits of one business venture versus another, like a business, the forms of ownership, And then we'll also be looking at the different avenues on how to acquire a business. Then we've got the SBA and our first control test, and that's term 1. Let's kick it off, term 2. Here we go into problem solving. We're looking at creative thinking, stress, change, and crisis management. Definitely one of my favorite topics. I just love the creativity of it and how you can be creative in teaching this topic and all the different aspects of this specific chapter. We're then looking at the marketing function and the production function. These are quite big chapters, so there's a lot of focus that goes into these chapters, and it is quite a bit of study work. And then lastly, we're looking at professionalism and ethics. Then we will be diving into the exams. So these are the June exams, the mid-exams, and also you can expect an SBA. All right, let's check out term 3. So term 3, we're looking at the entrepreneurial qualities, another favorite chapter of mine, the assessment of all the different entrepreneurial qualities. We're looking at transforming a business plan into an action plan. And then we're going to be looking at how to start a business with this action plan. All right. Then we're looking at just more in depth from grade 10, the presentation of presenting business information. So it's just a bit of an expansion on what you did in grade 10 already. Then we're looking at the team stages and conflict management and all that's involved there. You will then have your SBA and then term 3's control test, remembering that the control test only includes term 3. All right, then term 4, we're looking at the introduction to human resource management. This is an important chapter because it is a huge chapter when it comes to grade 12, so definitely pay attention when this chapter comes along. All right, then that's term 4 done. Then you will have your end year final exams for grade 11. So I'm so excited. I can't wait. I'm looking forward to it. I know at this stage I only have videos for term 3 for grade 11, but I am expanding that this year. So please let me know down below which ones are making you the most excited, which ones would you love to see on my channel, and also which ones are you a little bit scared about. Some of these chapters can be a little bit daunting, but I think let's go on this journey together and let's learn together and grow together. So I'm super excited. I can't wait. And I hope you guys are excited too. If you like this video and you're excited for 2024, please like below and please comment. And then I hope to see you guys in my next video. Enjoy the rest of the holidays and I will see you again soon. Bye for now.